Haka 5th State Conference jong kynhun nonghikai hapoh lama Meghalaya Upper Primary Teachers Association Mupsta kabala hynne sngi Ummulong West Jaiñtia Hills District balawan bynta de nonghikai na kylleng Jylla kani kynhun nonghikai kala Dawa na sorkar Jylla lyngba myntri tnat puthi Rakkam A Sangma ubalawan sakhi kumukongsan badai ban Pynrung deficit no ya praspa asau teli ki Adhoc Upper Primary School hapoh Jylla ya kaba dep ban terwana du kapor jong sorkar MDA 1 lyngba ka office order bala penmi Haka nyautrik benai Januari arjar khat kendai kumjuru Dawa ban penke wi ketulop jongki ban penyok ki gran bapher ban penjelan kerta syong than nalor be ki pensngau ye kejing halor kejing pentre kam salonsar ye ka mtet haki Skul Adhoc Nakaliang myntri haba jingkren Ummulong namar baha tnat puthi jong Jylla don bunjat ki tnat bat nonghikai ru ki nonghikai Adhoc deficit non-government bat ki way kumta khnang banna banwanra ka jing shakri bannat na ka kenram ka sorkar kala dep thau de State Education Commission na ka bynta banwat benya habe day bat ka puthi hapoh Jylla But ka jing mut bami na ka State Education Commission in pa siya ka sorkar na ka bentaban pet but ya merjing mut shwaban shim ya karay ka babyang tam habaya day ban penbahapan miat ya ka puthi. Kumta habaya day ka jing dawa ka ni ka kynhun nonghikai Upper Primary Ummulong bo usngaw to ka jing jang ki nonghikai Henry ya mentahi umpat la ban ong namar baga sorkar kadang up ban yo ka jing mut na ka State Education Commission. Ngas ngau thu jing ba kli lejong bat ngan le ka babhatam na ka bynta ka jing bhai nonghikai bat ka puthi ong Rakkam A Sangma. Haka juk kapor ula banjuri nonghikai bikin don ka jing ba kli ya ka kam begitre kenang bakalawai ki kena kan pernai. Nalor ka jing kren myntri layo ru ka jing kren na HM Shangpliang advisor ka tnat puthi ka sorkar na ka Santa Mary Jylla MLA Sutenga Saipung na Bright Star Chermang MDC ka Jawai Not bat kiwe.
We are waiting for the recommendation of the Education Commission. What kind of suggestion, what kind of recommendation they will be giving to the government. We will study, we will discuss, and we will decide. Because government is serious. Government is serious. Therefore, to bring the better systematic recommendation, we have constituted this commission. Commission consists of experts of the different fields, especially the educationists of the within the state, who are well acquainted with the problems and with the issues. But however, I want to assure you that we are part of the family, and I wish, as our honorable advisor has already stated, when we see our teachers on the street, it does not sound good. It does not sound good. Yes, there is a problem. There will be a problem. But there is always a way forward. Therefore, may I would like to assure you today, whatever the possible that we can, government is trying and will try our best to address the problems of the teacher. Even if that has been done in the past, and is being doing, and will be doing in the days to come too. But let us follow the responsibility together, how this problem can be addressed. It is not only the education minister, it's not only the director, it's not only the teachers, but we all together must work unitedly to get this problem addressed. Today I'd like to thank the Almighty for blessing us this beautiful and wonderful environment, the climate, that all across the state comes together and sharing the same platform to listen to each other and to understand together. In the education department, thousands challenges. We have about 58,000 teachers in the state. I think Meghalaya is the only state has the highest proportion of schools and the teachers in the country. And in the Northeast, Meghalaya is the highest number of teachers they're having in terms of population. We are even greater more than a state like Assam in terms of population percentage. The expenditure budget of the government of Meghalaya is highest for the education sector. But 85 to 90% of the budget is only goes to the salary of the teachers from all categories. There are many challenges. We have, I don't know, can it count also, right? The Adhoc, the non, the deficit, the non-government, the so-called non-government, the government, all the categories of the schools that we have. We have challenges, disparity of the salary, school run, like, it is very difficult to, like, there are many colleges. There are many colleges and schools that government support.